In this tutorial, we're going to be solving question number 1 from exercise 12. It says in this exercise, O indicates the center of a circle and T indicates the tangent to the circle. Let's find the colored angles, fully explaining our reasons. And so in such case, for number 1, let's find D. To find D, we need at first to find T1 and T2. So, going backwards, let's look at triangle T1, T2, B. In this triangle, we have a given measurement of angle 50. And we have both sides of this triangle T1B and T2B equal to each other, which helps us to deduce one thing, that triangle T2, T1B is an isosceles triangle since it has two equal sides. And since it's isosceles, the base angles T1 and T2 are equal to each other. So, since T1 is equal to T2, that would mean they are equal to the sum of angles minus the measurement of angle B. So let's go ahead and calculate it. 180 minus 50 over 2. And that would be 130 over 2, which is equal to 65 degrees. Since it is equal to 65 degrees, then we can now apply the alternate segment theorem. The alternate segment theorem says that the angle D would then be equal to the measurement of the angle T2. And so in such case, that would mean it is also equal to T1, which have the same measurement of 65 degrees. So D is equal to 65.